Dear students, now we will see exercise on logic. So here in each question below given the two statements followed by two conclusions numbered as 1 and 2, and we have to take the given two statements as true even if they seem to be at variance from the commonly known facts. Read the conclusion and then decide which of the given conclusion logically follows from the given statements. Okay, so we have to give the answer A if only one conclusion 1 follows. We have to give the answer B if only conclusion 2 follows, and we have to give the answer C if either 1 or 2 follows, and if neither 1 and 2 follows we have to give the answer D, and if both 1 and 2 follows we have to give the answer E. So now we will see the example. First is statements are all planets are moons, all moons are stars, and the conclusions are all moons are planets and all planets are stars. So according to the discussions which is held in the previous sections, so here both the statements are affirmative, so conclusion must be affirmative. However, conclusion 1 cannot follow as it contains the middle term. As we know that if the conclusion consists of the middle term, so here the middle term is moons and the first statement consists of the middle term, so we cannot follow the conclusion 1, so only the conclusion 2 will be followed. The answer is B here. Okay, next is all men are dogs and all dogs are cats. Okay, so here both the statements are affirmative, so the conclusion must be affirmative. So we can and the conclusions are all men are cats, all cats are men. Okay, so we can follow both the conclusion here. Third, all tubes are handles, all cups are handles. Okay, conclusions are all cups are tubes, some handles are not cups. Okay, so here both the premises are of A type because there is a all word here, so both the premises of are A type. So in either the middle term handles forming the predicate is not distributed. Here the middle term is handles and it is not distributed in any of the statement. Since the middle term is not distributed even once in the premises, we cannot follow any conclusion, so no conclusion follows, so the answer is D here. Next, fourth is all bags are cakes, all lamps are cakes, some lamps are bags and no lamp is bag. Conclusions are some lamps are bags, no lamp is bag. Okay, so in the fourth both the premises is of type A and the middle term is cake. Okay, so here like the previous example, the middle term is cake here and that is not distributed in any premises. Since the middle term is not distributed in any premises, we cannot follow the conclusion, we cannot follow any conclusion, so the answer is D. Fifth example is all flowers are stems, all stems are roots, and conclusions are all roots are flowers, all stems are flowers. Okay, so in the fifth conclusion 1 being an A type proposition, distribute the term roots. Since the term root is distributed in 1 without being distributed in any of the premises, so conclusion 1 cannot be followed, and conclusion 2 consists of the middle term. Here the middle term is stems and the second conclusion consists of the middle term stem, so we cannot follow any conclusion here, so answer is D. Okay, next is sixth, all puppets are dolls, all dolls are toys. Okay, and the conclusion is some toys are puppets, all toys are puppets. So here conclusion 2 being an A type proposition, distribute the term toys which is not distributed in any of the premises, so we cannot follow the conclusion 2, so only one conclusion will be followed. Next, seventh is all apples are oranges, some oranges are papaya. Then conclusions are some apples are papayas and some papayas are apples. Okay, so the first premise is of A type and distributed the subject. So the middle term oranges, which forms its predicate, is not distributed. The second premise is of I type. This is of I type, which consists of the word some and does not distribute either the subject or the predicate. So the middle term oranges forming its subject is not distributed. Since the middle term is not distributed even once in the premise, conclusion will not follow. Since the middle term oranges is not distributed any of the premises, the conclusion will not be followed. Okay, so this is regarding the logic. So we have to read the statement and after that we have to read the conclusion and we have to think about the rules and according to that we have to give the answer. Okay, so thank you so much.